Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to get started on hot Telegram mining. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do work to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. Hot mining started about a few months back and the mining is still very on. The link to the Telegram bot will be dropped in the description box under this video. So when you click on the link, all you need to do is allow the bot to message you by clicking on start. Then you click on create new account. You need to copy your seed phrase and keep it somewhere safe. Create new account. You just have to be patient for this to reach 100%. So you've created an account on HOT. So here's how it works. Claim your first HOT. What is HOT? HOT's native token on Near blockchain. First allocation of HOT will be distributed to early users. So you are still part of the early users if you start now. Continue mining until the entire stock is distributed. Everyone can get HOT. Create a wallet to start mining HOT and boost your cave to mine faster. Why HOT? HOT will be used as the main currency in building Telegram games and apps on here. Main announcements are coming soon. Start mining. Follow HOT updates. Follow their Telegram. They have 3.4 million subscribers on their Telegram. Join their Telegram. And let's go back. Claim your first HOT. So in order to mine consistently on HOT, you will need to deposit near. You can deposit at least 0.5 near to enable you mine fluently without any distractions. So on the mission, you can find campaigns to perform to earn extra HOT. The first one requires you to join HOT updates, which we have joined. The second one is to back up your seed phrase. You need to do that and swap near to U1. This is optional. You can choose not to swap. You can choose to do it. It's not a compulsory task for you to do. And let's go back. The second one is gas free, meaning when you perform all the tasks, you'll be able to claim HOT for free. As you can see, the gas free is 3/10, meaning you have 3 times to claim your HOT for free. So perform all these tasks. As you can see, some has 6 gas free, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. So when you perform all these tasks, it will make you claim HOT for free pending when you deposit near. And let's go back. So for this boost, it's advisable to boost because it increases your mining rates. It makes you mine faster. This increases the wooden storage increases your claim time. It makes you claim it less often. It extends the claim time. So you need to upgrade this to be able to mine HOT faster. So the wooden storage talks about your claim time. It makes you claim less often. It's advisable to boost so your HOT will accumulate for you when you choose to claim. The Fireplace increases your mining speed, and the basic wood boosts your mining speed. You can perform some extra tasks to boost your mining speed. As you can see, download mobile app, add 0.5 near to your account, add 1 USDT. By performing all these tasks, your mining rate will increase, and it's advisable to do them. So let's go back to for these friends, share your referral link with your friends. When you share them, you get 20% cash back from your friends' earnings and 5% from whoever your friend refers. Now let's go back. So as for this is your HOT balance, this is your storage, this is your seed phrase. You can find it in settings. At the top showing 7376, that's your wallet address. And at the top showing shrimp, this is your grade because you have less than $1 in your wallet. So it has different grades. If you have 1 to 10, you belong to the crab. If you have 10 to 50, octopus. That's how it works. So go down. This is your token. Then the next part is your NFT. You can find your NFTs. That's if you have. So concerning this swap at the bottom, click on it. You can perform some swaps to earn HOT. You can perform some swaps to earn HOT. It's not compulsory, it's optional, like I said. Why these the apps? It contains hot updates like hot apps, the NFTs you've minted, the project that have launched on HOT, the project HOT is supporting their whole year. Here you find them. So guys, that's all about HOT mining. I hope this video has been very helpful. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. As a team member, I'll be available to answer your question. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more contents like this. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video.